Is your Apple Watch showing not connected with this iPhone? This usually happens due to pairing issues, Bluetooth problems, or software glitches on either device. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Make sure your Apple Watch has at least 50% battery and is connected to its charger. Your Apple Watch and iPhone need to be connected to a stable and same Wi-Fi network. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your iPhone and Apple Watch. Keep your Apple Watch and iPhone close to each other during the entire update process. Solution 1. Update your software. First, open the watch home screen, tap on the Settings app, now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. Solution 2. Reset your Apple Watch. Open the watch home screen, tap on the Settings app, now scroll down and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom, tap Reset, tap Erase All Content and Settings, scroll down again, tap Erase All. After erasing all, try to pair again. That's all. This is how you can fix the Apple Watch not connected with this iPhone issue. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye for today.